Welcome to QuickInvestBrief. For generations, we've been told the same story. Buying a home is the ultimate financial goal. It's the pinnacle of financial stability. But what if everything you've been told about homeownership is wrong? What if the conventional wisdom is a fallacy that could be holding you back financially? We're diving deep into the age-old RentVsBuy debate to uncover the hidden truths behind the illusion of owning a home. For decades, the cultural narrative has been simple. Buying is always better. Owning a home is seen as a rite of passage, a symbol of stability, and the smartest investment you can make. This narrative has deep historical roots, fueled by post-war prosperity and economic policies that made homeownership an aspirational ideal. It's an emotional and social goal that we're conditioned to believe is the only path to building wealth. However, economic shifts have radically changed the landscape. Today's housing market, with soaring prices and unpredictable interest rates, looks nothing like the one our parents and grandparents navigated. When we think of buying a home, we focus on the mortgage. But the truth is, the mortgage is just the tip of the iceberg. There are hidden costs that can quietly drain your budget and trap you financially. Beyond the mortgage, you're responsible for property taxes that can rise every year, homeowners insurance, and a constant stream of maintenance and unexpected repairs. That leaky roof, the broken furnace, a plumbing emergency, these aren't one-time events. They are recurring, unpredictable expenses that can quickly add up to thousands of dollars, completely blowing up your budget. This brings us to opportunity cost. Your down payment is not just a payment. It's a massive amount of capital tied up in a single, illiquid asset. That's money that could have been invested in the stock market, earning compound returns. Your monthly housing expenses, including taxes and maintenance, could be going into other investments, or even into experiences that enrich your life. This liquidity trap can severely restrict your financial flexibility, making it difficult to pivot for a new job or respond to a financial emergency. It's time to challenge the idea that renting is throwing money away. For many people, in many situations, renting isn't just a viable option, it's a superior one. Renting offers unparalleled lifestyle flexibility. The freedom to relocate for a job opportunity, to be closer to family, or to simply move to a new city without the immense burden of selling a home is a powerful advantage in today's unpredictable market. This flexibility is a financial superpower. When you invest your capital instead of tying it up in a home, you gain the freedom to move easily. You can then use the income from those investments to cover your rent, all while leaving the headaches of property taxes, insurance, and unexpected roof repairs to your landlord. This allows your wealth to grow in the market while your housing costs remain predictable and hands-off. Renting also provides market volatility mitigation. Renters are immune to the stress of property value fluctuations and housing market downturns. You don't have to worry about your home's value dropping, leaving you underwater. Renting also offers predictable expenses. Your housing cost is a single, fixed number, making budgeting simpler and less stressful without the surprise bills of owning. The RentVsBuy decision is rarely just a financial one. It's a deeply emotional one. We often fall victim to the societal pressure for ownership, where we feel we need to buy a home to prove our success to friends, family, and society. But it's crucial to distinguish between genuine financial benefit and external expectation. You need to honestly assess your current life stage. Is owning a home a good fit for your career trajectory, which might require a move, or your family plans, which might not be set in stone? The so-called pride of ownership is a real feeling, but you must ask yourself, does the emotional satisfaction outweigh the potential financial drawbacks and the stress of a mortgage and maintenance? The smartest approach is to reevaluate your housing strategy with a data-driven mindset. Instead of thinking of renting as a temporary state, consider smart renting. This means you are actively investing the difference between what your rent and a theoretical mortgage payment would be. You can use your financial flexibility to negotiate leases, seek out better rental deals, and maximize your financial gain while still enjoying a home. Ultimately, there is no one-size-fits-all answer to the rent-vs-buy question. It's a personal decision that depends on your unique circumstances. The goal is to make an informed choice that accelerates your long-term financial planning and aligns with your life goals, not outdated societal norms. What's your take on the rent versus buy debate? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this insight helpful, hit that like button and make sure you're subscribed to Quick Invest Brief for more powerful insights, briefly told.